Hello, here is LDI 2025. Glad to be here. I'm Technical Manager Erico Lee from AOTO US. Here, I would like to show our interesting products. This is our P1.5 products. We are ARM1.5E and ARM1.5B. You can see that we could combine and become a corner degree. Actually, this is flexible to make a cube as well. So which means that it's for the live show, that could be really flexible to change the shape as the customer like. For example, I would like to show here. Please follow me. And then here is our product. We are ARM1.5B. It's like similar like that one. And then this became a 90 degree. Actually, they also could make a cube. For example, in we see at the back, the frame all could be removable to become a 90 degree, and even on top of it become a cube. And also flexible that we also have a C series, which means that this one could be like 15 degree flexible change. For example, I'd like to show you. If you see the surface, we could see that they could change different degree with my hand. So that's really flexible for the customer. Yes, so the next one I would like to show is our floor screens. So here is our AE 1.5. For the floor screen, a lot of competitors, they're also doing that. But our one is the most smaller pixel pitch. When smaller pixel pitch, which means that they could make more high resolution. For example, like this, even we're so close, we also could see that really clearly because this is a P1.5 pixel pitch one. And also different with the other floor screen, we also could do virtual productions. For example, when camera movement, they will color for other LED wall, they will go into color temperature, color shape change. But our one, the layout of LED will be special. So that's why no matter for 360 degree, the color shape will be not that much. So that's really good for the camera. Yeah, so this is the mainly one I've introduced. The second one for our one, this one is our ARM1.5E products. And then this one, we are tiny LED. And then we also have our MIP version one. MIP version is micro LED. So which means that they could making the LED tiny, and also even in the same pixel pitch, they have a high contrast. It's really good for rental product live show when quick installation, but also really strong, less damage for the screens. Yes, that is everything I would like to introduce for our booth. Thank you.